Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you cryptocurrency does work. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency lets you buy goods and services, use apps and games to or trade them for profit. Here's more about what cryptocurrency is and how to protect yourself. Many or all of the products featured here are from our partners who compensate us. This may influence which product we write about and where and how the product appear on a page. However, this does not influence our evaluations, our opinions, or our own. Here is a list of our partners and here's how we make money. The investing information provided on this page is for educational purposes only. Nerd Wallet does not offer advisory or brokerage services, nor does it recommend or advise investors to buy or sell particular stocks, securities, or other investment. How to choose a cryptocurrency? It is important to remember that Bitcoin is different from cryptocurrency in general. While Bitcoin is the first and most valuable cryptocurrency, the market is large. Nearly 20,000 different cryptocurrencies are traded publicly, according to CoinMarketCap.com, or a market research website, and cryptocurrencies continue to profile rate the total value of all cryptocurrency on June 13, 2022 was about $970 million, having fallen substantially from an all-time high above $2.9 trillion late in 2021. While some of these have total market valuations in the hundreds of billions of dollars, others are obscure and essentially worthless. If you are thinking about getting into cryptocurrency, it can be helpful to start with one that is commonly trading and relatively well established in the market. Though there's no guarantee of success in such a volatile spaces. NerdWallet has created guides to some widely circulated cryptocurrencies, included Bitcoin and some altcoins or Bitcoin's alternatives. Bitcoin is the first and most valuable currency. Ethereum is commonly used to carry out financial transactions more complex than those supported by Bitcoin. Cardano is a competitor or Ethereum led by one of its co-founders. Litecoin is an adaptation of Bitcoin intended to make payments easier.